There's going to be lots of lightning tonight, isn't it?
It does appear that way.
I hate it. Such a strong word. Well, I hate it! I hate lightning! I hate thunder! I hate storms! What good are they anyway? They're loud and sudden. Lightning causes fires and storms cause floods. They destroy everything! Nothing good comes out of them!
I have to disagree. It was thanks to a storm that we got to meet, was it not?
It's true that thunderstorms can be scary, but they also bring water, cool the earth, clean the air, and help the plants grow. Thanks to the thunderstorms, next time we're here, we'll be able to enjoy a full day under the sun. After it sets, we'll lie down in a field with plenty of newly bloomed flowers. And look at the stars. That's what thunderstorms can bring?
Yes, Oscar. That is what thunderstorms can bring.